Hey friends, the disc golf course is getting closer to being done. Right now, we have multiple baskets in, but only 2 pads. So we put the baskets in because as it warms up, we can go ahead and put baskets in, but we're a little bit leery of putting the pads in with cold temperatures still in the evenings. So right now, we have 8 baskets in. We are only lacking the last one. Just finished up the last one a couple days ago. So we are almost ready to have the full course laid out on any apps that may support that. And so we are getting close to being done. But I'll let you watch this and see how the course is laid out, and then you can go ahead and play it on your own. Thanks so much for watching, folks. Thanks so much for all of our sponsors. It is so appreciated. The students have already been playing on the baskets that we have out, and they're really enjoying it, and adults are enjoying it also. So thanks again to the school. Thanks to all our sponsors and all the hard work put in by the students.